What's going on, traders? So guys, just saw my trading for today, and we're going to talk about today how to find the most tradable opportunities, because when we look at the chart, we want to find the safest places to enter, and these would be your key entry points or key levels. And the first key level that I found today was from this low of this day, because lows of the days and highs of the days, they will normally set up very important key levels that will play throughout the entire day. As I was looking at the chart, the first big move that caught my attention was this unexpected bearish move. This move right here, this is a 90-degree sell-off, and 90-degree moves are very, very rare. There are no pullbacks, and market cannot continue working lower for a long period of time under this 90-degree move. So every time you see 90-degree move, just remember, this is very unusual, this is very oversold, and prices will pull back to the EMA, because EMA acts as a magnet. And if you guys take a look at how prices reacted to the EMA throughout the entire day, every time we got far away from EMA, prices pull back. There is a big gap, prices pull back. This is how EMA pulls prices closer to it, and 90-degree moves are very rare and they cannot last for a long time. So we broke major key level, instantly pull back. Here, there's a first question whether we sell this second entry short or not. This is a second entry short. Do we sell it or do we sit on our hands? Well, we don't sell this second entry short. Even though it is at the EMA, we pull back on the key level, and more often than not, this key level will make some sort of reaction. This was a 90-degree move, and looking for a new low would be a trap. 90-degree moves are so rare that we shouldn't be looking for a new low. Prices are reacting back to this key level, and prices are right now working in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. This was the first trade that I saw today. First entry long, pullback, second entry long. And the reason why I liked it, because it is a second entry long at the key entry points, at the trend line and at the EMA. Confluence of two key entry points, big bearish reversal bar, beautiful trade, quick, easy scalp. Unfortunately, my runner got stopped out here, but there's a reason why my runner got stopped out here, because we had this key entry point in the way. We had this trend line in the way. Before, I was really trying to understand the market structure and understand the price action. I was wondering why some key levels and some price levels reject prices and some don't. Well, it is because there are always some sort of major patterns and major trend lines in the way. So this was the trend line for the day, and you guys saw how early I found the trend line. Unfortunately, I wasn't really focusing on selling here because I was holding my runner. There was my loser for the day. First entry long, second entry long. I was looking at this as a second entry long failure, and I thought we were in a downtrend, but I misjudged two major factors. Take a look at this gap from this swing and this key level right here. If this bearish move is strong, we were supposed to retest this key level, because that's how these key levels react. But we didn't, and a lot of people starting buying way too early. We pushed above the EMA, and this is a horrible, horrible doji bar. We couldn't even close below EMA. We closed above and horrible doji bar. I jumped the gun here. Doesn't really matter. That comes with the territory in trading. And prices are starting to go in this trading range, and we need to put ourselves in the best position as we can while we're looking to trade trading ranges. Wasn't really too clear at this point on. I found this double top right here, and I was expecting a new low of this downtrend, or at least attempt to make the move to this key level right here. So what I liked, how we came from double top right here, pulled back below EMA, we ticked one tick higher, instantly reverse, big bearish reversal bar, closing below EMA. We're coming off the resistance. Beautiful, quick, easy scalp. This area right here is the market open, and at the market open, there's almost always going to be some sort of trap, reversal trap, or whatever. We don't really care. The best bet is to sit on your hands during the market open. Let them fight it out, because just sit on your hands. You will get trapped if you try to pick a trade during the market open. And at this point on, it is clear that we are in the trading range. And is this trading range just a consolidation? The market doesn't know where it's going to go, or is this trading range tradable? Can we place buys or sells in this trading range? yes, we can. This is not very tight trading range. It is fairly big and there are a lot of opportunities, and the best way to trade trading ranges is to buy the lows and sell the highs, but more importantly, fade the breakouts. I don't know what was wrong with me today, why I wasn't shorting these highs right here, because there's so many failed breakouts. Most breakouts of trading ranges will fail. Failed breakout right here, failed breakout right here, lower high, and the failed breakout right here. I should have paid more attention. I was eyeballing potential trend line, something like this, but you guys can see that it doesn't really fit off the highs, and this trading range is starting to get very long, so there is no uptrend. This is just a good trading range. So I should have been selling highs. I wasn't, my mistake, but I quickly adjusted and I played the trading range rules. We have this downtrend working lower, we have a break, new low right here. This low is lower than this one. We closed below support, and I put my limit order in, quick easy scalp. I was expecting prices to reach right here, we didn't, doesn't really matter. Prices got rejected and I made the scalp. And the volatility is crazy high today, and you have to really have your risk to reward ratio on point. I used 10 ticks today, and even that felt fairly small. So take care, this volatility is pretty strong, and hopefully you guys found this video informative. Hopefully you guys liked my live trading. Key levels are very strong, very efficient. Key entry points are very efficient as well. Market geometry is very real, and hopefully you guys, next time you see this 90-degree move, you will not get trapped and you will expect a correction. This second entry short would have easily worked for a scalp, but key level will make a reaction, so you want to stay away from this. So if you guys found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like these, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.